In this podcast, we're going to look at how to create a course banner using PowerPoint. You'll notice in this history class that I have a course banner here at the top. I've also put in chapter banners in each of the modules. Now, I've really done that for myself just to break up the long list when I'm looking at the table of contents. It helps me to go through and break up the modules a little bit better, having those graphics in there. And then as you go into each of the chapters, you'll see the banner shows up there with the chapter title for that particular module. So to create this, what I did was I went to PowerPoint and I used the basic template from it. And I basically just resized the slide and then moved things around. But basically, to start one from scratch, you just go to File, New, and I just took a blank presentation, just a plain white one. If you want to use one of these other themes, you can do that. I'm just going to go ahead and select that. Now we need to go to Design tab, and then on the slide size, what I've done is done a custom slide size. And what I've found to work best for Desire to Learn is one that's about 6.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Now you can adjust this to see what works best for you. Then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And I'm just going to go ahead and select the Ensure Fit so that my text boxes don't pop off the screen or anything. And so there I've got it set to Ensure Fit. So here's my slide proportions. Now, when we're done, we'll be able to save this as a JPEG or a PNG file. Either one will work for this banner. And then we'll resize them. And I have a video on how to resize using MS Paint and some other programs as well. So to get started, basically you've got the title slide here has two areas to put in text. Now what I can do is just click in here and type in some text and then just work around formatting it the way I want. If I already have the publisher slides, I can copy things from that and pick whatever font here that I would like. And let's make that a little bigger. And let's make the font red. Let's blow this up a little bit bigger. Let me go over and grab an image from my publisher site. So here's a copy of the textbook. I'm going to copy that. Now when I paste this, since I've got a custom banner size, the image is probably going to be a little big and I could just resize it. So I'm over here, I'm just going to go ahead and paste. And there's my image. Let me move it up here. And grab the sizing handles and shrink it down to something that's going to fit a little better. I can put that on there. So you can just go ahead and customize however you want the slide to look. Putting in clip art. And once again, you can go to Design and pick one of these other different styles that are already built in. You may want to play around with those a little bit. I'm just going to go ahead and go back to the plain one for now. And then when you're done, you go to File, Save As, and then on the pull down here, you're going to select either JPEG or PNG. Doesn't really matter for this purpose which one you use. I typically use PNG, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And I'm going to go ahead and put in a name for it. Okay. And when I click Save, it's going to ask me if I want to do just this slide or multiples. I only have one slide in here, so it doesn't really matter. But if you have multiple slides in your slide deck, then you'll want to do all slides to have all of them converted. And you click All Slides. And it's telling me that it's put all those into a separate folder. And here's where the file folder is located. So if I go into here and go to my documents, there's my history banner, and there is my slide. And let me open that up, and everybody should have Paint on their computer, so I'm going to open it in Paint, and that's a program I can use to resize it. And once again, there is a video out there on how to do that. And then what I found is the best size for this is to make the thing, go to here to pixels, and really 550 pixels wide makes the best width for Desire to Learn, at least with the theme and setup that we're using here. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and the image has been resized. And you can check out the video that I have on how to put that into your D2L course. This would work for Blackboard, Moodle, whatever learning management system you're using. Same process would work. You're going to find that different size banners work better in different platforms. So that's all it takes to create a banner for your course, just to personalize your course a little bit.